What can it be?
Scraps of wool. Oh, so soft.
They sure are. That has given me a mega monster idea. Wool is the best. You can roll it. It can bounce, bouncy, 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 and it's super fluffy. But this ball of wool is going to help us make a wool head game.
As well as these scraps of wool, we'll need a cereal box, a smaller box, coloured card, a pom-pom, some buttons and paint.
Let's start with the cereal box and the small box.
Make sure the opening of the cereal box is at the top. Then stick the boxes together.
These are going to make the neck and head for our game. Now it's Monster Painty Paint time.
Yeah, let's paint it.
Painty, painty, painty. Hey, 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 hey.
And then leave the paint to dry.
It's time to give our head some woolly hair.
Take some scraps of wool and stick them inside the top of the box, like this.
This style looks woolly good.
Make sure you do this all the way around the top of the box. Murphy, I think something's missing.
It sure is.
A face!
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Ooh.
Look, they've added ears, eyes and a mouth. And a collar and buttons. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you.
All that's left to do is add a pom-pom for a nose. One woolly head game complete. And you can make one too.
Rebecca, are you ready to play?
Ready?
Ooh, me too. This is going to be such fun. You first, Rebecca. Oh. Ooh, my turn. Yay, I did it.
Oh, Murphy, this is so much fun. But how is it going to help you get a new silly hat for our hat party?
Like this.
It's raining pom-poms!
What do you think?
Oh, wow, Murphy. I love your new fancy hat. Now you're ready for our big silly hat party.
Yeah!
Come on, Murphy. Now we've both got our big silly hats. We can
Party